We'll guide you through how to delete Dropbox from your Mac quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Finder and open the Applications folder. Find Dropbox in the list of applications, then drag the Dropbox icon to the trash, or you can right-click on it and select Move to Trash from the context menu. This will remove the application from your system. But there are some additional steps to make sure all Dropbox-related files are completely gone. Next, open Finder again, but this time use the Go menu at the top of the screen and select Go to Folder. In the pop-up window, type in Library and press Enter. This will take you to your user library where application support files are stored. Search for any folders named Dropbox or related files within the Application Support, Caches, and Preferences folders. You can delete these as well by dragging them to the trash. It's important to empty your trash to permanently delete these files and free up space. Remember, if you have any important files stored in Dropbox, make sure they are safely backed up elsewhere before you begin this process. Finally, restart your Mac to ensure all changes take effect and verify that Dropbox is completely removed. If you encounter any issues or need to reinstall Dropbox in the future, you can always download it again from the Dropbox website. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.